on, y'all? Well, today on MeatCranium Barbecue and Review, we are doing a collaboration. I'm doing a collaboration with Rico over at Smokin Jazz Barbecue. Now, he is a smaller channel, but let me tell you what, this guy has got a lot of good things going. He does some voiceovers. He has some really good editing. He has some really good looking dishes. His thumbnails. So this guy, he only has less than, I think, 15 videos. But anyhow, I see that this guy has got a lot of really good talent and he deserves to have a few more subscribers. I let him actually pick out what he wanted to do in this collaboration, and he decided that a chicken pot pie. I was like, okay, I can do chicken pot pie, but since I'm on the keto diet, I'm gonna do a keto chicken pot pie. That might be a Herculean task, especially for that crust, and well, it actually was. So how I originally had this planned, I'm actually recording this a week later, but I didn't find the same shirt I wore inside that video just to kind of look like it's the same day, but it's not. It ended up turning nighttime on me pretty fast because I worked with a couple of different types of doughs and trying to get that topping just right. And the first dough topping I made, I ended up scratching it. I threw it out, I deleted all the footage of that crust. So I went ahead, I went with a backup crust, which is really simple. I ended up actually having to cook this inside in the oven. So, and I'm not too good with the whole black box inside the kitchen, but this still came out really good. Only thing is, I probably would have made a double batch of the dough that I did make. I probably would have made a double batch so I could have made it a little bit thicker. Other than that, this thing is freaking awesome. Even if you want to make just the filling to go on top of some pasta, that'd work too. It's really, really good. So give this recipe a try. It is keto. It's very, very low carb. I did not use onion or carrots, which are not keto. White onions and yellow onions are not keto in any way, but I did use shallots, green beans, and I also used broccoli. Those are all keto friendly. Carrots are not keto. Carrots contain a lot, and I mean a lot, of carbs. So check out this keto chicken pot pie, and just remember, at the very end, I should have doubled up on that crust to make it thicker. Other than that, this is perfect. Y'all go check out Rico over at Smokin Jazz Barbecue. His information will be right here in the iCard. And I also put his information down below, and I also put a link to his video that he's doing down below as well. So enjoy this. I'll see you guys at the end. Alright y'all, so this is the crust I made. The original one I made did not come out well. I looked at another video from another person, the Hungry Elephant, and this is only 2 things. This is 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. It might have been a little bit more than one cup of shredded mozzarella cheese in the microwave for 1 minute. I took it out and then I added 1/4 to 1/3 blanched almond flour. So what I added to it, I stirred it up in a bowl right here. I stirred it up until it got to be a nice consistency. I put on a piece of parchment paper, that covered it with another piece of parchment paper. I took a rolling pin and I rolled it out till it was nice and circle. I'm waiting for it to cool down right now. And then I'm going to put this on top of the chicken pot pie, and we're gonna throw it in the oven for at 350 for about 30 minutes. I wasn't cooking this outside in a Dutch oven over some coals. However, it's turned nighttime and I'm kind of late for that. So this is gonna wait for this to cool down and it should tighten up. Alright y'all, let's give this a try. Now there was some struggles. Instead of going at 350 for 30 minutes, I ended up cranking up the oven to 375 and going about an extra 15 more minutes. And so it ended up coming out pretty good, so let's give this a try. The crust is about the only thing that really I kind of had struggle with. I actually did 2 different recipes for the crust. The first one I did not come out good. It did not work, so I went going to a backup one. And that video for that, I'll put down a link down below in the description. So let's give this a try. There's a nice little bite right there. Still see a steam coming off. Look at that. Hot, but that's good. And it's keto. Very low in carbs. I don't think any sugars. So anyhow, y'all go check out Smokin Jazz Barbecue. His name's Rico. Go check him out. He's a really small channel. Y'all go there, show him some love, and tell him that MeatCranium Barbecue and Review sent you. Or just tell him Meathead sent you. All right, either one. I don't care. So anyhow, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next week. Ciao.